Hello and welcome to Computer Science Lesson 5. This is more algorithms. And again, you could probably combine this with Lesson 4 if you have enough time. Many people think that computer scientists or programmers spend all their time working on their own, staring at a screen. In fact, many software applications are written by large groups of people and require good teamwork. And that's something that we're going to be working towards as you progress through computer science grade 10, 11, 12, is trying to write larger and larger bits of code as a group. So after this lesson, you're going to understand the need for good interpersonal skills, have a better understanding of what an algorithm is, and be able to demonstrate turning an algorithm into a scratch script. Okay, so again, I talked a little bit about this in the previous lesson. Reminder, algorithms are a set of instructions that solve a problem. And we also learned that humans can interpret instructions in a different way to computers. Computers work by following lists of instructions, and they do exactly what the instructions say, even if they are incorrect or nonsensical. Okay, so for example, if you tell a robot to go through the door, please, and the door is open, well, then that's not a problem. And if you told a human to do that, they would know enough to open the door. But if the door is closed, the robot will try to go through the door and doesn't even realize that the door is closed. So that's sort of one difference there between computers and humans dealing with algorithms. For this particular lesson, you're going to need someone to help you. If you want to go look for them now, it's up to you. If you need to pause the video, I'm going to move ahead here, and then you'll understand why. So I'd like you to write out the directions to draw this picture. You're not allowed to use the words lights, post, or base. You'll have to use words like circles and rectangles and lines and stuff like that. I'd like you to find someone to give the directions to and see how they do drawing it. So write the directions out on a piece of paper or type them out and hand them to someone and see how they do, see if they can replicate or duplicate this particular drawing. Here's a second one if you'd like to try. It's a little bit more challenging. And again, you cannot say the words or you can't use the words snowman, hat, nose, or hands. You may use words like circle, color, center, that type of thing. All right, so you can give those two a try if you like. Pause the video. And now that you're back, here's one more for you to try just on your own. Here I've got a set of instructions. You read through them and see if you can draw the figure given these instructions. And I'm going to give you the answer right away. So I would encourage you to pause the video right here. All right, so hopefully you got something along those lines. It's kind of like a little sailboat with some stars up top. And the practice assignment for this particular lesson is to write a scratch script to make this picture. So you're going to have to spend some time looking at the pen palette. You'll notice that the pen must be down to draw. You have to lift the pen up to move without drawing. So for example, once you've done that drawing there and you want to jump to say the triangle, you have to lift the pen up. If the pen is down while you move, you're going to draw a line. The glide command will show the drawing. Start with the clear command so that if you mess up, it always clears the screen for you. And I would encourage you to use a stamp or sprite for the stars. Or if you want to try to draw them too, that's perfectly all right. So take some time and give that a try, and I'll talk to you next lesson.